As you can see, we are going to install a 16 deep nail on PVC box. Why I read all that, I don't know. But so we're gonna install this box onto this stud, and I'll show you how I do it and why I do what I do, and we'll just go from there because why not? So it's got these tits right here. A little itty bitty titty, little itty bitty titty, itty bitty titty community. So those tits though are so that most drywall is a 1/2 inch. And that is supposed to be where basically where your drywall butts up against it, you cut your thing out. I actually find though that like you actually need to bring it out just a tad past that because it's not quite a 1/2 inch. Oh, I'm going up here, we already got a mark. So I'm gonna bring it out just a little bit because I like it out a little further. Then they give you these nice nails. Oh, damn. So what we're going to pound these bad boys in, make sure we're lined up. We are, we're good. Criminy! That all looks like base. Alright, now it seems pretty sturdy, and it kind of is, but I always add screws. I'll show you. So, especially on your outlets. Now this is going to be a light switch, so it's not maybe as important, but it just depends. Because it's funny, you go in the house, everybody wants to mess around, and especially outlets. After a while, these boxes become loose. I've seen it multiple times. Multiple times. And what I do, two drywall screws, nothing big. I'm going to put them on an angle, and I'm going to put 2 screws in here. And it's not going to affect the outlet or the switch by any stretch of imagination. And it definitely secures the box. Definitely. It doesn't hurt the integrity of the box. It doesn't take away any extra room. And that's just a little now that beast ain't going anywhere. That's how we do it.